Street photography is exploitation. We've all seen videos of street photo bros walking up to 99% of the time, it's a conventionally attractive woman saying, "Hey, you look amazing," or "Your outfit is great. Can I take a photo of you?"
My name's Danny. I'm a street photographer. I think you look like a goddess.
And also I'm a photographer. My name is Gene Black, and I'm taking pictures for people sometimes for free. And you're lucky, and I do want to take a picture of you.
Hey, excuse me. Hey, hi, how you doing? Sorry to bother you. My name is David. I'm a street photographer. I take pictures of people. I thought you look lovely. I was gonna see if I can get like a quick photo of you.
They take the photo. Sometimes they show the photo on the back of the screen and the reaction is typically positive, like, "Wow, this is a really nice picture of me." But it's exploitation. And let me tell you exactly why. First, let's define exploitation. To use selfishly for one's own ends. To use especially for profit. To use someone or something unfairly for your own advantage. To try to get as much as you can out of a situation, sometimes unfairly. To treat someone unfairly by asking them to do things for you, but giving them very little in return. The street photo bros post these photos of these women online, and they use that to get fame, to get more social media following, to get notoriety, and that ultimately leads them to making money without sharing any of the fame or any of the money with the people that they're taking photos of. That's how it's exploitative, and that's only the first layer. They record a video of the situation. That's the second layer of exploitation. Because they're filming the video and they post it onto video platforms, they use the followers and subscribers that they get to leverage brand deals and sponsorships, to sell merch, to sell photo books, to sell presets. They get revenue from YouTube AdSense. That's exploiting them in two ways, but hold on a second. There is a third way they exploit people. The main types of people they take photos of are conventionally attractive women. Go to any of these street photo bros pages and you can see 95% of the time it's a video with a woman. These street photo bros are looking for, targeting, and preying on conventionally attractive women to take photos and videos of because they know the internet is full of thirsty, horny young men. But don't take my word for it. Let's go ahead and read some of the comments. I'm sure it's going to be full of photographers asking about settings and how he got the lighting right and the artistic integrity of the photo, talking about the style, the composition, I'm sure, right? She's such a beautiful and cool girl. Pictures are beautiful. No, you are, heart. She's gorgeous, angelic beauty. Beautiful is an understatement. She's definitely a keeper, heart, heart, heart. She is stunning, the pure natural beauty. She's so beautiful. Gorgeous. She is so beautiful. She's gorgeous, man. Asian beauty, heart eyes. Damn. She's so beautiful. She's so pretty. Beautiful. Damn. What a beautiful woman. Gosh, I want Asian now. She's the best so far. Make her your muse. She's the prettiest woman I have seen. She's a natural beauty. God, she's beautiful. She's unbelievably pretty. She is a goddess. Bro, women are so beautiful. I've never seen anyone this beautiful. She's freaking gorgeous. Oh my God, she's adorable. She's just drop dead gorgeous. Wow. Damn, I honestly thought girls like her didn't really exist, lol. Beautiful woman. And most of these videos have comments that are like that. 80-90% of them is talking about the girl and her looks, which begs the question, who the hell are these photos and videos for? Is it for photographers, for the art, for the interaction? Well, looking at the comments, I can only understand one thing. It's about salivating over women's beauty. And let me tell you something about this whole interaction. When these street photo bros go up to women and are like, "Hey, can I take your photo?" That's a lie. It's a lie by omission. Lying by omission happens when someone intentionally withholds important information that would change the perception or understanding of a situation. By just saying, "Hey, can I take your photo?" They're lying because it's not just taking a photo because they just want to take it. It's because they're going to take it, they're going to post it on the internet, they're going to get notoriety, they're going to get fame, and they're going to make money, and they're recording the whole situation too. They're not mentioning that they're making money from recording the video and putting it online, okay? If they were truthful, this is what they would actually say, and brace yourself because this is a long one. Hey, can I take your photo where I'll use it to post on my social media, where I'll get tons of likes and grow my following, and I'll likely sell your photo as a print or feature your photo in a photo book or use it to leverage selling a workshop where I can charge people $1,000 to $5,000 to $10,000 to teach them how to point the camera at a face in automatic mode and click the shutter button. And also I'm recording this for a video and I'll be posting it on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, where I'll make money from people watching the video through AdSense revenue, while also using the amount of followers I have to get brand sponsorship deals where I'll make $1,000 to $10,000 per ad in a video and get sent free gear from companies by shilling and saying everything is so amazing and good. Who would have thought? They sent it to them for free, and selling people presets, and you get nothing in return except maybe a photo I take of you that isn't artistically interesting or unique in any way. In fact, if I handed the camera to any random stranger and told them to point the camera at your face and take the photo, it would look identical to the photo that I take. And oh yeah, one last thing. The comments on all these videos I post online are mostly gonna be from young men thirsting over you and oogling you and talking about your looks in an incredibly cringy and creepy way. Can I still take your photo? That's how you ethically disclose what's happening. It's not just, oh, you look amazing, let me take your photo, tee-hee. These street photo bros are businesses and they're exploiting your looks for fame and money online. What do you do if you get approached by a random street photo bro? Tell them no, because they're gonna use the photo, they're gonna take the video of the interaction, they're gonna get famous, get followers, get money, and you don't get nothing in return. Tell them no. Or tell them to pay you, both for the photo and for the video. Ask them to write up a contract, a release form, saying how much money you both agree on for the photo and for the video. And if you're cool with that and sign it, then you can go ahead and do it, because this is how they do it in the professional world. And these people are supposedly professional photographers, right? So they should be doing things professionally. Okay, but what do you do if you've already been exploited? You find yourself in a photo or a video of one of these street photo bros posted online. Tons of these guys are getting millions of views per video. Find their email and ask them to pay you. Ask them to be fair and ethical about it. And you should be paid, because if you think about it, the interaction of walking up to a stranger, you are an integral part of the video. Like, they cannot even make this type of video, this type of niche of video, without the interaction of the stranger. You are the main focus point and you should be fairly compensated for it. And before anyone comments below, yes, I know, legally speaking, it is completely legal to do this type of photography and videography. In the United States, if you're out in public, there's no expectation of privacy and you can be photographed and videoed and people can make money off of it legally. You can't do anything about it unless they take those photos and videos and use them in commercial purposes, like for ads. Then it's totally cool. They can sell your photos in photo books, sell prints, use your likeness to get their fame and money. This video isn't about laws and legality. This is about ethics. And to the people who are like, hey, it's legal, so I can do it. What kind of response is that? Seriously, you have to be narcissistic and lack any type of empathy to be going around and exploiting young women for views and money online. So are these street photo bros narcissists and lack empathy? What do you think? Go ahead and tell me in the comments. I just get full of all of this rage when I see these types of videos go viral. Realistically speaking, it's kind of cute seeing the interaction and someone being like, oh, you think I'm beautiful, or oh, you think my outfit is awesome. But then you think about what is actually happening, okay? These people are they're exploiting women. Awareness has to be given to people to know what is really going on here. It's not just some, oh, I'm taking a photo of you, or oh, I'm taking a video of you, okay? The reasoning behind it is kind of cringy. And honestly, I would love to hear from some of these photo bros. I'm gonna go ahead and email them or find their Twitters and tweet them and be like, hey, yo, I just made this video and I featured you in it. What are your thoughts about it? And if they reply, I'll go ahead and put the replies in the pinned comment to see what they have to say about this stuff. Yeah, I think this type of content is cringy and disgusting. It's being done by narcissists who don't give a damn about anyone else. They're exploiting conventionally attractive women, and it's awful. I hope that you have a good takeaway from this video and understand it a little bit better. If you have some thoughts, go ahead and put it down in the comments below. Thank you so much. Have an amazing day.